Hello, 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 guys. How are you doing today? This is your host and your host, educator friend, Saksham this side, and we will be starting the stream today with some project analysis. Heard you, you heard me right. Hello, guys. How are you doing today? So, this is your host, Saksham this side. I will be doing the project analysis today on some another interesting project which we found. So we will be having a look on the project. We will be looking forward to what the project initially does and what are the things which are the main pain point, or you can say main value points the project fulfills, and what are the vision, mission, and why does the project exist in the first place. So these are the things which we will look forward to and which we will be looking forward to in the stream today. So let's start the project analysis, and the project name is basically GetaVerse. If you have already read that, GetaVerse, GETA, Geta coin name. As a symbol, token symbol is GETA, and we have 44 people watching us. Welcome, guys, to the stream. I hope you guys are having a great day, whatever time zone you are, morning, evening. Welcome to the stream. And with this being said, let's quickly jump on to the project and let's have a look into what the project initially does and it what the benefits and all it has. So just give me a moment, guys. I have to go through your comment as well. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you, Nicole. How are you, buddy? Okay, so let's begin here. So the crypto market cap is currently standing at 1.18 trillion dollars as expected. Nothing to change here. It haven't changed much here. To be very honest, it haven't changed much. So let's have a look into the BTC price is also like stable. 29,000 to 300 is like okay. So let's see the GetaVerse. This is the GetaVerse. So the token price is currently standing at $0.02, which is 2 cents, you can say. No, not 2 cents. It's point. Wait, yeah, it's 2 cents. Sorry, guys, it's 2 cents. You can say the price of token is 2 cents. It's 2004. My date of birth. Okay. Market cap. It does not have a proper data of that, but yeah, volume is like constant 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 million. 1.1 million is the volume of the token here, which is good, impressive. Fully diluted market cap is standing at 100 million. That's a good number. 100 million is the fully diluted market cap of the project GetaVerse, and I think it's quite impressive that 100 million is the token valuation. BNB Smart Chain. The project is based on BSPP20 Smart Chain here. This is the website white paper. We'll be looking forward to that in the next frame. All time low is like point 0 to 23 2.23 cents. No, 0.23, not 0.023 cents. And all time high is like, oh sorry, this is the all time high, guys. Point, not 2 cents is the high, and low is 1.1 cents 7 0.017 is dollar is the lowest. So it has already only changed like 100%. I think it's a new project which have already recently launched in the platforms. So it does not have a lot of data, to be honest, and that's quite okay to us, not bad or not good, but yeah, it's definitely okay here. Just a moment, guys. Uh, Wait a minute, guys. Okay, this is good. Hmm. Just give me a moment, guys. I have to set the voice here. So I'll show you the screen in a minute. Okay, it's good. Yeah, this is good. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, I was just looking forward to something. And yeah, we are back. So as I was discussing that it has 100 million market cap here, and we will be looking forward to the website now. We will also be looking forward to what the project initially does. So let's have a look into that. And there was a bit of refreshment on the page, and we are back again. And let's open the website here. This is the website for the token. Okay, it's open. I think my internet is kind of slow, glitchy. That's why it's behaving like this. Although it's good. So this is the website phishing warning. Please make sure you're visiting https getaverses.com. Check the URL carefully. Definitely, scammers are always there. The website looks cool. It gives us a feel of metaverse here, and it's kind of futuristic technology as well. So that's definitely impressive. Connect wallet, white paper, my node nodes, Web3 did. Um, okay, this is Medium, Discord, Twitter, and Telegram. GetaVerse is a metaverse ecological service platform based on the Web3 digital authentication engine protocol. And here is the apply for node option as well. So we can apply for a node as well. We can become a validator here, and we can get the taxes and fees. Okay, so let me just quickly go through the website here, and let's have a look into the project analysis, what they do initially. The era of the first computer systems, okay, manufactured by Darumo 2022. Okay. vision. So Getaverse is okay, guys. I was just drinking water, so I just put on my whole mic, my whole. So Getaverse is not just a metaverse reputation system. We will be the top private domain traffic portal in the future metaverse world, and will provide a bridge to link Web3 to the huge numbers of digital users in Web2, which sounds good definitely. Users will get an exclusive metaverse decentralized identity DID system in Getaverse. They can generate their own SBT tokens and provide different advantageous platform services based on the user's reputation level in the platform. This is something interesting to read. I think I have seen this before. I will not say that I haven't seen something like this before. So that's not the true answer. But yeah, something similar to this, I think I have read that. So let's see. Let's see your comments as well, guys. If you have any comments as well, because that is also very important to us. And we will be having the red packs giveaway as well at the end of the stream. So stay tuned. We will definitely distribute the red packs. You can claim it and enjoy it right. Okay. Let me just go through the comments and volume voices also have to check. Getaverse will provide a way to monetize, contractualize personal data, information, and value. Okay. Okay. This is good. Definitely. This looks good to us. A unified identity platform based on soul bound tokens. Getaverse will build a unified, decentralized platform based on sound bound tokens to establish a Web 3.0 personal data value system, which utilized the Getaverse credit score system and changed the system of Web 3.0 personal data value. An open DID and API for linking all Web3 applications ecosystem. Getaverse will improve the underlayer of the Getaverse based system, provide an interface for Web3 applications, realize and enrich the conditions and method of value capture between users and Web3 applications. So I think it's good. It's something like, have you heard of the what I'm about to say is like NVIDIA or something like that provider, which allows you to perform hard graphical games and all. This is some kind of that mechanism is happening here. So let's have a look into it and let's deep dive into it so we can get a better understanding of what the project is. And open application platforms empowering Web3 users. Getaverse will start a huge number of users and a well developed infrastructure. to open high quality social channel, linking social networking with the Web3 through the DID credit system to realize the Web3 value confirmation. A verifiable claim specification. Verifiable claim specification is the subset of GraphQL that only allows aggregation queries to the encrypted data. It would serve as a specs to allow data consumers to pay and use the user data, but not breaking users' privacy. Okay, this is some kind of a marketplace here, I guess. A verifiable claim specification definitely looks very business. It sounds like a business here. Let's see. GetaVerse operational mechanism. GetaVerse provides the infrastructure for community members to manage and contribute digital credentials to our data network. Okay. Our infrastructure supports credential management through multiple data sources for on-chain credentials. Curators can provide sub graph queries or static snapshots. For off-chain credentials, we have integrated with data source such as snapshot.org, Twitter, and GitHub. This is definitely very interesting to see here. And GetaVerse is the governance token of the GetaVerse with a total supply of 5 billion. So I guess 5 billion is not too much. 5 billion is okay because the population of the world is like around 7 billion or something like that. And if the supply of token is 5 billion, then still 2 billion people are left, and that's a good calculation actually. So maybe we can get some good amount of profit from the upward momentum of this token. But yeah, that's a long story. We'll not do that right now. But yeah, purchase node registration node become a node. Okay. Geta tokens is the core rule to ensure the long-term development of the project. Incentives based on the degree of value creation to Getaverse will always be the highest principle of Geta tokenomics. So you can apply for a node here. Purchase a node. You can purchase a node. You can registration of a node as well. You can become a node as well. Okay. I guess this is a step: purchasing a node, registrationing a node, and then becoming a node. So you will be verifying the transactions which are happening on the Getaverse blockchain. It provides all the solution to the Web3 applications. And with that being said, you can also let the earnings flow smoothly because you are just doing nothing, just pot up a node, and then you can easily earn fees which the people pay while purchasing and selling, buying and selling of the token here. So that's very impressive. Yeah, that's not a bad deal actually. It's good. So we have Ryan Corey's core team: Ryan, Chris, Bruce, Zain, Dr. Wang, advisor, Akhil Rajwaram, CTO. Okay, big strong minds are also here with the good minds. Okay. It looks like feels like something we are in a matrix, something like that. So definitely, it's interesting to see that how they build it. Now let's quickly look into the white paper here. Maybe we can get a better idea at what the token is all about and what we can expect from the token in the upcoming days. That's pretty impressive there. Oh, sorry, I opened the website again. I guess I have to download the white paper, which is sometimes frustrating, but yeah, let's do this. And we are in. So the white paper is not too big, it's only 21 pages. And I think we can definitely have a quick look here. So here is the GetaVerse white paper. Background: Metaverse. American science fiction author Neil Stevenson once mentioned the concept of the metaverse in his works. Now that Facebook has changed its name to Meta, the metaverse is becoming more and more important. In many ways, the metaverse is just another name for what the internet has become: more social, more immersive, and more economically complex than what exists today. Broadly speaking, there are two competing visions of how this might be achieved. One features decentralized ownership in uh, where is the ownership? One features decentralized ownership. In other words, it is interoperable, open, and owned by the community that creates and maintains it. The other is centralized, closed, and subject to the rise of corporations that often siphon off the economic rents of content creators, contributors, and ecosystem residents. Sorry, property rights of digital content. When it comes to the ownership of digital content, one of the fundamental elements of the metaverse people were more accustomed to a read write experience and disregard for ownership of digital content and information on the web too. Most successful video games today make their money by selling in-game items such as skins, equipment, etc. But players who are currently buy in-game items are not actually buying them. It is merely a form of rent. As soon as someone leaves the game to play another game, or the game is abruptly discontinued, or the rules are changed, the player loses access, which is very bad to see that it's not happen. In addition to digital content, Web2 users also do not own their own personal data. Internet giants such as Amazon, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. exploit users' data to gain tremendous value and wealth, which is in stark contrast to the fact that users, that actual producers of the information have no say over their own data. Such practices as illegal collection of users' data leaks and trading problems are seriously violated user security and rights. So we all know this truth that our data has is been attacked and violated on a daily basis. We are targeted. For example, have you ever noticed that whatever you search in Google, it shows in your YouTube menu, it shows in your Instagram page, it shows in your shopping list. It is just a network syncing. So you are tracked 24 by 7, which anyone will not like. For example, you are searching for something personal and then they started to know that you are searching for this, which is not good. You don't want to tell people that you are doing this. It is very bad and very unethical and illegal. Basically, illegal is the right word and ethical is not. So yeah, that is the problem here. Our data is not protected, and I think decentralization and modern web3 will help out in this situation. Only and only this, because if we follow other things, it will not going to work out. And that's why they're looking forward to come up with the GetaVerse and all. And these are the projects which will help us to, protect our data in the future. The Web3 identity verifier. On Web3, the economic value of all exchanges is still essentially based on the people and the relationships they establish with each other. In today's society, centralized identities from social structures such as family, church, team, company, citizen, celebrity, etc. are the collection of all attributes and behaviors of person. Okay. The limitation caused by its reliance on Web 2 can be seen in the following three examples. Most NFTs rely on centralized platform like OpenSea to transact. Many DAOs want to go beyond social media platforms and rely on the simple voting mechanism of the Web2 infrastructure. But this does not protect against with attacks. Many Web3 participants rely on wallets hosted by centralized entities such as Coinbase or Binance, and decentralized key management systems are very user friendly. Unsecured lendings offered with Web3 cannot be completed due to the lack of identity information. Also, the existing token system cannot process credit because there is no separation of ownership and use. The basis of establishing DSO also requires Web3 to extend the social foundation. In this context, decentralized identity is gradually becoming known to the market and users. It represents a new type of identity, self sovereign and verifiable. It leverages blockchain. I think here we have a quite complicated terms, which in here we technological term. The rise of DID and decentralized society has spurred the popularity of some key technology concept. Decentralized identity, DID. DID is a derivative of the traditional centralized identity. It refers to the removal of ownership, control, and management of a person or company's digital identity. User data is fully returned to the user. DID is a key practice in the development of Web3. The core goals of both DID, decentralized identity, and the Web3 paradigm are to empower users to control their data, protect their privacy, and ultimately ensure their freedom through an open censorship resistant network. While there are differences in the formulation and practical application of DID and SSI, self sovereign identity, DID and SSI overlap greatly. DID places more emphasis on decentralization and peer to peer interaction among individual users in the identity system. Through identifiers, there is no single individual or group of trusted authentication nodes that can control the data generated in this. Okay, guys, just give me a moment. I think the electricity has gone, but yeah, I think you can see me. That's not a problem here. Okay, let me see if the stream is working fine because I have to check. It's very bad that we have to check from the phone that stream is working fine or not. Sometimes it's quite frustrating, but yeah, that's what we have to deal here. That's not a problem. We will deal it, no problem. More interesting thing is I have to also watch the comments as well. Okay, guys, just give me a moment. Okay, the voice is perfectly fine and it's good actually. Okay. So here, as I was saying, decentralized about GetaVerse vision. Okay, we here we got the vision here. Let's see the vision quickly. GetaVerse is a blockchain credit system developed and deployed on several public chains. It aims to create an ecological metaverse service platform based on the Web3 protocol for digital authentication systems. After registering with GetaVerse, users will receive a DID identity, decentralized identity, which they can use to build their own credit system and participate in the ecological use, construction, and management of the platform. Users can improve their comprehensive credit score by participating in activities such as owning assets, staking, mining, governance, voting, etc. Innovative Web3 projects can be accessed through GetaVerse open API interface, including DEX, NFT, DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, and other ecological applications. GetaVerse vision is to help Web3 developers design better products by building a decentralized identity and a reputation system for Web3 and Metaverse portals, building a true decentralized society. DSO that allows users to control their identity, emphasizes ownership of digital content, and ensures that users receive value. With the development of Web3 and the metaverse, a DID, a decentralized identity based digital identity credit system, will become the main trusted traffic portal in the virtual world. The future goal of GetaVerse is to become the largest trusted traffic platform based on DID credit system in the Web3 world and to support the implementation of all innovative Web3 products. So definitely, innovative Web3 product is a need of this hour because Web3 products are definitely decentralized and innovation is what we need here. So Geta was ecological architecture, ecology, application layer, gamify, DeFi, socialify, others. What we already see, gamify, socialify, DeFi, we all see this, right? Just a moment, guys. I have to open my doors. Okay, now it's better. And we're back. So you can see ecology, application users, decentralized identity, soul-bound tokens, DAO governance, metaverse, API protocol layer, distribution system, contract, pivot, multiple smart contracts, and it is a chain of working model here. On-chain identity tag here, credit level 1, credit score 100. Based on the on-chain behavior of user address in multiple public chains, we can create clear and segmented user profiles such as Uniswap, SuperTrader, compound lender, OpenSea artist, board ape holder, etc. This is interesting and which is very cool to use. Definitely, you can label yourself as someone which represent you. Basically, if you are a lender, you can just write it lender. Here it is, compound lender, OpenSea artist, Uniswap super trader, and things like that. ENS serial registrar, sushi swap, uncommon swapper. So it shows about you that how you are using this and how you are looking forward to get going in the blockchain here. Okay, this is very interesting here. It is a whole chain of GetaVerse, but every data is decentralized here. Remember, guys, the main pain point which we are dealing here is the decentralized part. The decentralized means that no one is tracking your data and you are safe and sound in comparison to others. While they search on internet something like that and they get a lot of recommendation on other social media platforms, but in this, if you do any of the things, you want to search any of the things, it will stay where you have searched and you are the whole sole owner of that search. No one else will or can watch those things. So that's the best part. GetaVerse allows Web3 developers to customize NFTs for event proof based on chain behavior or off chain Geta events. It covers the entire process from NFT creation to distribution, rules, etc. For example, for event attendance NFTs, Web3 developers need to upload whitelist address, upload NFT images, and set mint times using the following method: self uploaded address layers, address collected by the GetaVerse board, interaction with contract, and a lot of things. What does GetaVerse decentralized ID do here? GetaVerse DID is created by integrating on-chain and off-chain user data via SBTs, the centralized and on-chain identity tag, and GetaVerse event proofs. GetaVerse ID works like a new kind of human resume on the Web3 that can be a bridge to connect on-chain behavior and off-chain society, which is definitely interesting. You can just definitely know someone by looking on their badges, which is an amazing thing. I think that's great actually, guys. When a user loses a GetaVerse decentralized ID, SBTs on the address lead to the owner's social network, which then realizes on mutual voting among social networks members to realize collaborative recovery. Key recovery through social contacts follows the same logic as Google Mail and Twitter password. Okay. GetaVerse data control system. So GetaVerse credit score system and a lot of things are there. We will be looking forward to the main part. Web 1 connect from one person to another. Users interact with the internet through centrally located servers. Web 3 users access the internet through a distributed decentralized network. Decentralized Web 3 internet, decentralized Oracle network, decentralized Oracle real world data. Real world data users are here. So this is how the decentralization works in the ecosystem. GetaVerse ecosystem value, 5 roles in GetaVerse. Data provider, you can become a data provider. Each data set in the GetaVerse network will include a revenue stream that will allocate it proportionally to the curator. Curator can use token to purchase the revenue right of data set. Due to the nature of the union curve, if a curator purchases revenue rights for a popular dataset in advance, the cost of the revenue rights will be low and therefore their future revenue will be high. Okay, this is something interesting, data provider and all. Data consumer, API users usually describes those who want to query a datasheet. Protocol developers pay query fees to the curator to query the curator's datasheet through the indexer. There is no longer such a need to download and process the complete ledger of one or more public chain networks. This improvement makes it easier and more efficient to develop protocols. When curator data is used by an API user, the curator will receive a revenue stream. This will create a scale effect. As more and more data provided by curators flows into the system, it will create applications scenarios for more API users. Therefore, they are motivated to join in using the data, which in turn drives more curators to provide data. Okay, guys, just a moment. I hope you are able to see me now because the electricity came and now we are good. It was quite difficult to stream without electricity, but somehow managed to do that and somehow survived. Okay, now it's good and we are better. Okay, let me just start here. So can be data consumer data provider. Third can be date trusted verified node. With basically the trusted verified node, you are a trusted node. The governance DAO trust you for verifying the transaction which are happening in the platform, and that's how you are being a trusted verified node. So this is how it helps you to become a trusted verified node. So it's mentioned here clearly: trusted verified node is the operational node of GetaVerse. Developers and team aiming to use the GetaVerse network data through API will need to pay tokens to pay for fees. Most of the fees will go to the curators, and the rest will be collected by the data query nodes and DAOs. Definitely, we all know that DAO governor users can stake Geta to the vote to get the vote of GetaVerse proposals at the trusted verified node. DAO governors have the right to propose and vote on the proposal in GetaVerse. So we all know that, right? When you stake some amount of data, huge amount of stake, you will be coming a main part of that thing, and you can, then participate in decision making and events. Committee event node for off-chain tags and off-chain event proofs. Data purification, data storage will be performed by trusted verification nodes. Uses data value creation, account security, interoperable value credit accumulation, empower project ecologies, get our systematic advantages of verifiable claim specification, trusted verified nodes, operation mechanism, and yeah, here it is. It's looking like an exchange symbol. So yeah, I have been confusing here. Trusted verified node production release rate 10%, released amount 694,000 per day. Okay, these are the tokens which will be minted, and you will be getting the fees of that. Let me just quickly have a look into the comments, guys. The production mechanism for the GetaVerse node from the second year. Okay, trusted verified node consumption, payment, and tokenomics. Let's have a look into the tokenomics. Okay, guys, we are back here. I was just drinking some water. Seed round 5%, institutional round 10%, IDO 1.5%, team 10%, eco contributors, DAO Foundation, trusted verified node. Okay, so they are the main part is they are looking for trusted verified node. 55% holding of the tokens are at those levels, which is good, which is definitely good, and it is appreciable. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. And yeah, that's the thing. For that, you can become a trusted verified node, and apply for that if you got the chance. Definitely, you can become the governance DAO as well. So this is how GetaVerse basic traffic works. Trusted verified node, you will be Web3 application platform. You can connect with that. You can also become a governance DAO, GetaVerse DAO basically. where you will be participating in major decision making roles and all, and you can be a good decision maker as well. Guaranteed benefit, support to launch. In the Web3 application platform, you can support to launch their project. And here, the trusted verified nodes, when you mine, when people trade, you will definitely getting the money as a fees when you verify the transaction with your node. So this is how the model works here, and that's not a big thing. We have already seen this in a lot of things. Governance proposal, roadmap, overall roadmap, launch GetaVerse platform, and yeah, progress note. So here is the conclusion. The GetaVerse team believes that with the development of Web3 and Metaverse, the decentralized identity, digital identity, will become the most important Web3 portal in the future. It will not only greatly enhance the business value of Web3 and Metaverse, but also provide an important window for mapping reality in the virtual world. GetaVerse is building a trusted Web3 and Metaverse ecology based on the DID credit score system. Okay, where is that? It's true decentralization emphasizes ownership of digital content and allows users to control the identity and get deserved rewards. It is foreseeable that Getaverse technical system will become more and more perfect over time, and through the collective efforts of the industry, the corresponding operation mode will become more and more standardized and reasonable. In the future, more government agencies, industrial institutions, as well as individuals and Internet of Things devices will participate in the vast world of digital economy and develop more innovative applications scenarios with the help of decentralized distributed digital identity system. The future digital society must be user centric. Individuals can create value through independent data management and credible data sharing and exchange. Distributed digital identity will help the digital society develop a healthier, more transparent, and more efficient. We believe that Getaverse will become the largest trusted traffic platform based on the DID credit system in the Web3 world in the future, empowering ecological application of Web3 innovative products. So, yeah, this was all about the Getaverse, guys. I hope you guys have got the knowledge that this basically this project, what it aims is that it helps the people to create a digital decentralized identity, which they can protect their data and use it with when to their own for their own use only. The data will not be exploited and they will not be used as a product, right? So this is how they are looking forward to change in some. It is a good thing, definitely you should check this out. And the project is also standing at almost like 100% growth from its initial stage from idea, and 1.5% is the token circulating in the market right now. So that is also a main thing. We can get a dump, but the only dump which we will getting by us only, because if we buy and sell the token, it will definitely affect the negativity of the volume and all. This is bad. So you have to be keep looking forward to these things, and it helps the project to grow initially. If you find that the project holds the value, then definitely you should not be buying and selling that. Should be holding for the long term and enjoy the profits as well. So now let's wait for just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I was just went for, and I'm back. So yeah, now we will be look forward to how we can participate and purchase this token, definitely with the help of Gate.io. So let's have a look into that, and just open the tab, type in Gate.io, which is the normal thing. Okay, and now just quickly open the platform here. Now the Gate.io platform has been opened. So the one most important thing which you have to do here is to just normally search about. Okay, just got a news of interest rates and all. Yeah, so let's get back. So yeah, you have to do one thing, which is to come on the trade section, and then after clicking on the trade section, this is the page which you will be looking forward to. Close other notifications, and then normally search here GetaVerse, right? So the Geta, we have to search Geta here. Geta is Geta USDT, and you have to just simply open this, and you will get a beautiful chart here. The chart is stabilized and definitely went up in the 4 hours. It almost launched, like, I don't think it has launched like a long time ago. Yeah, it has only, like, if you see the weekly candle here is 4. Yeah, it has been a month old project, and definitely we will be dropping the codes after this. Let me just finish this, guys. So you can just simply see that the project is only 1 month old here, and if you see the daily candle here, you can definitely see that the daily candle is good here. When the project initially launched from 0.006, which is a lot low, almost below that 0.004, and it almost went up to 0.03, which is a lot of pump here. What we expect from here to here is a 739% gain. It's like 7-8x the money. And now we have this beautiful support area which the project is holding here. I'll show you guys. This line is holding by the project very good, and we can see some action here as well. Like, this is what we are looking forward to. It is definitely a story of long run, but it can be happen in maybe coming days as well. So yeah, but yeah, as you all know that these kinds of stream are only and only made for entertainment and education purpose. So if you like the stream, don't forget to check out the project, and don't forget to get the full knowledge of the project, and then only invest any kind of amount of money on, anyone to trade, something like that. So yeah, that's a friendly warning, or you can say friendly alert, which I wanted to give you guys. So yeah, it does looks good. I think it can pump from here initially, and this arrow is definitely good. It can also go at the top maybe, or this is a good level. This from here to here, we can expect a pump of 18-20% easily. So that's not a big deal here. So 66%. Okay, we can cover, the market can easily cover that. It's not a big of a deal here. So yeah, I was earlier about to told you how to purchase this. So don't have to do anything. You don't have to do much here. Simply have to put the price of the token here. The price is already set. So if you have USDT on your account, just click 100 or whatever amount you want to buy the token at, and you will be getting this much amount of token. Just click on the buy now, because I haven't logged in yet. So that's why it's showing like this. And you have to just simply click on the buy button. So you will be getting the tokens in your spot wallet account right away. So this is how you can take part and you can become a part of the community, the GetaVerse community, by simply buying the token from Gate.io, which is a great platform and which helps you to buy this amazing project, which can be a great potential in the future and can rock and roll in the future, and take a lot of maybe good amount of money or revenue you can generate. So yeah, we have to be always be careful of that if that happens, then definitely it's a good thing to look forward to. Okay, that's what we are looking here. And yeah, that's what we told you guys. So I hope you guys have liked the stream. Don't forget to give it the big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me and Gate.io. And now we will be sharing you the red packets. So be prepared. The red packs are coming for you. I'm just simply checking that the red packs has not expired. Basically, it should not be because I am just distributing it earlier. So I think it's not that bad and it should not expire as well. Surprise. Shut this. Okay. Gate Live BSA 87. Let's see if it's working. Let me just quickly check. Uh, okay, I think it's already okay, it's expired. That's bad. Gate Live 73 BSA 8. Okay, this one is on, so you can use this one definitely, and we are lucky now. Okay, so I'm just writing the gate here, support here. 73 BSA 8. So guys, this is the code. I hope you are able to see my screen. You can quickly claim it and let me know if you got the rewards. I will just simply wait for you for around 2-3 minutes, and then I'll be closing the stream, and I'll be thanking you for watching my stream. It's been a great audience, you guys, and thank you very much for stream.